Once upon a time in a sleepy town, there lived a curious kid named Lily. She discovered a mysterious map hidden in her grandmother's attic. With her trusted stuffed lion, Leo, by her side, she embarked on a thrilling adventure. As they ventured deeper into the jungle, the trees whispered secrets, and the vines helped them swing from tree to tree. Suddenly, they stumbled upon a talking parrot, Polly, who led them to a sparkling waterfall that poured lemonade. They met a monkey named Milo, who offered to be their guide.
All right, are you interested in creating high-quality AI animations like the one you've just seen? If you are, then keep watching. Firstly, let's head over to ChatGPT and type, "Write an exciting kid's story in 200 words. All prompts will be in the description below. If satisfied, you can move on. But if not, you can ask ChatGPT to rewrite the story. Following that, let's generate image prompts for each sentence in this story by typing, "Give me image prompts for each sentence for this story." Next, we'll generate images using Leonardo AI. If you don't have an account, create one. Once logged in, choose the 3D animation style. Set the aspect ratio to 16:9 and select 2 images. You can copy and paste the prompts you generated using ChatGPT. Repeat these steps for each image prompt. For the voiceover, we'll utilize 11 Labs. Log in and navigate to speech synthesis to choose a voice. For this animation, I'll select the voice Gigi. Listen to the voice by clicking the play button.
Happiness can exist only in acceptance.
Once you've selected your preferred voice, copy and paste the story into 11 Labs and click Generate. For animation, we'll use Runway ML. Once logged in, go to Generate Videos, drag an image. Click Generate. Review the output and repeat the process for the remaining images. For editing, we'll use CapCut. Download and open CapCut, then import the image and voiceover files into the media. Drag the files into the timeline. Sync each scene with the voiceover. Remove unnecessary gaps using the split function. Repeat this process for the remaining images and voiceover. With the editing done, let's review the final results.
Once upon a time in a sleepy town, there lived a curious kid named Lily. She discovered a mysterious map hidden in her grandmother's attic. With her trusted stuffed lion, Leo, by her side, she embarked on a thrilling adventure. As they ventured deeper into the jungle, the trees whispered secrets, and the vines helped them swing from tree to tree. Suddenly, they stumbled upon a talking parrot, Polly, who led them to a sparkling waterfall that poured lemonade. They met a monkey named Milo, who offered to be their guide.
Now, I'll introduce a useful monetization method for this kind of AI animation. Teespring allows you to create and sell your products online. To create our own products, let's remove the background of one of our images using Remove BG. Once done, download the image and return to Teespring to explore the products to create. From clothing to accessories and home products, I'll create my own hoodie and sell it online. Add image and adjust the image size accordingly. Let's try another example. I'll head to the accessories section and pick a tote bag. Just like before, add the image and adjust the size. Congratulations, now you have your own product to sell online. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. See you next time.